6.65 millimeter. So the new method is mostly about creating a datum plane and then sketch on it. So yeah, this is my new sketch, and let's design the LED slot for this thing. So the distance from the left side to the edge of the LED is 6.65 millimeter. I just got the new Mitutoyo dial caliper, and the results are much more reliable now. 6.65 millimeter on that side, and from this side we'll use the step measurement method, and the number is um, the number is 10, no, not 10 yet, 9, only 9, maybe 10. Yeah, I think I could count that as 10. Yeah, I think I can definitely count that as 10 millimeter. From this to this, 10 millimeter. That's that. That's that. Now the thickness of the LEDs will be, let's give it a little bit wiggle room. 1, 2, 3 millimeter. Is 3 millimeter. So we'll click on this side, select your dimension, and choose 3 millimeter. Okay, this side is still not constrained, so we'll select the edge, and because rectangular have automatic constraint on the symmetry, so it is much more easier for us to do. This side can be a little bit tighter, perhaps. No, should be a bit more lax, so maybe, yeah, 10 millimeter is good. Everything is in order. Everything is now in order. 3 millimeter this side, 10 millimeter this side. Distance is also 10 millimeter. I think it looks good to me.
name this thing. Yeah, let's create a pocket operation first. Punch through 3 millimeter of plastic. There we go. We'll call this LED uh, DK time. Yeah, so we can know how much power is left in the power bank. I don't think I need to make a cutout for the button next to it because it feels a bit redundant. Okay, I think we got the geometry of this thing down. Okay. Um, yeah, somehow I don't think this is the best way to do it. I think this pocket over here is kind of bad. So let's say if we can move the datum plane. So this side is locked because I want to slide the power bank from the top in, from the top, and not from the bottom. I was being lazy in modeling, so yeah. Okay, so how do I slide from the top in? Hmm. For those stones from the bottom provide me with a lot of space that I want. Tricky. Yeah, but let's change the pocket. So we don't want this sketch to be this big. Let's model it precisely. So from this side in it is 2.5 millimeter. Maybe not that much, but let's see. Yep, 2.5 millimeter is a good number. So from the top, yeah, from the top, this should be cut in 2.5 millimeter instead, same as the bottom. The side can now be a bit more in. So I was thinking it's really hard to do to make take measurement on objects that are not that does not have any clear edges. So quite the pain to be precise. So this from the old outermost side. How should I make this? Is 10 millimeter too much? 10 millimeter for the inner side is a bit too much, but yeah, it is too much. Should be less. Maybe I don't know, 7, 8. Currently it is at 8 millimeter. Yeah, 8 millimeter. So let's make this from the outermost edge, which is another 3 millimeter for the wall, so 11. Okay, I think we got that down, and of course change the name of this to port side pockets. good to me. Now let's clear the cutout over here. So create a datum plane, create a sketch on that datum plane, turn off the visibility because we don't need that, and select reference geometry. So we'll choose, are there any shortcut for it? Let's do the shortcut so we can remember. G X G X. Nothing happened. Should I press it at the same time? GX GX GX. What the heck? G X. Yeah. No clue. For the wall, I want to be symmetry to the center line, and I don't want to create external geometry, so I just do this. A couple more parameter is not gonna hurt. 3mm, and of course that side is definitely 3mm also. Same for this side, 3mm, and this side also 3mm. So we use the pocket operation, punch through 3mm of this, and okay, yeah, I think I know what's going on. I select this side to punch through almost through the material. So let's see the port side pocket. We punch through this many millimeter, and we just need to do this. We just need to do the same on this side. Perfect. Now it punched through all that material. So we get that. So give it a name like power slide in pocket. Yeah, so the power bank can slide in. I am really bad at naming. My colleagues keep roasting me about my bad naming skills, but oof. I think I can make this one 3mm. This sketch. No. Yeah. So it can be symmetric to the another. So port side pocket. No, not this operation. Just want to edit the sketch within it and make it 3mm. Close. And I think I got what I want. Yeah. What I really want, the final product would be a phone right here. So I can combine the phone and a power bank together and use it at once. I am too lazy to get the battery replacement, and to be honest, at that point, because I already buy the power bank for all the stuff as well, because I do a lot of electronic projects and I love to have the power bank with me. Okay, this side, that side. So we create another sketch from this plane. Select this plane, create a datum plane. Okay. Create a sketch on that datum plane. Now, okay. This is the face we want to use. Turn off the visibility layer. Okay. think we can make some measurement based on the geometry of the old stuff. Give me a second. Mm, so the distance should be about 25.50 millimeter. Yeah. So create a rectangle. Rectangle. Rectangle is good. A rectangle that should be above. Yeah, should be like this. And the distance from this to this is 25.50 millimeter. Alright. And I think that's the only offset that we need. The rest is about the parameter of the phone with the case itself. So I will need to make some measurement. And from the last lesson, I think I need to give some more clearance this time around. Can slide easily. Yeah, it should slide easily. 76.30. So that is the width. 76.30 millimeter. Select the no, I have to select the point, not the line, for some stupid reason. Yeah, they have to be symmetric. And it will be, let me double check again. Like I said, measure twice, cut once. Yeah, I think we should measure at the largest point of this thing. So we can take another measurement. It would be at 76 point. I can make it 0.70 for a bit more clearance. Maybe I should make it 77. Maybe 78. Let's see. 77 millimeter is very tight, and I don't know if my 3D printer can print that good of a clearance. So another 0.5 should be good, right? So 77.5 millimeter or 77.50 millimeter. Okay, a bit better now. Still don't know why it is reverse. Okay. Now we have the width, the offset. Now we need the length and the thickness of the phone. No, the length first, not the thickness. Maybe the thickness. The length of this thing is fucking long. It is longer than my caliber can measure. So shit. How do I do this? Because it is so damn fucking long. 150 is the max, and yep, it hits the stop. So I would say like 150 point a bit more. 150. 50 is here, yeah. So should be good. No, 170 should be better. 150 is here. So 150 is here. Yeah, to think of it, I think 160 should be good. Yeah, 160 should be good. Yeah, my new caliper is rusting. I need to buy some oil now. So 160, the length is 160 millimeter. Now we will give it a thickness. So go to the pad operation. Using the step measurement method, I will measure the thickness of this phone with the case, which is at 10, no, yeah, 10.5 millimeter, 10.50 millimeter. Okay, 10.50 millimeter should be good. Why not make it just 11? Boom. There. Now, of course, I do want to slide it from the top down, so yeah, I will slide it from the top down, and for that, I will need to create. Oh shit! I forgot to add the offset of this thing. No, can do. I do need the offset for this thing. So back to the drawing board. I will need to, for the pad operation, I will need to add 3 millimeter on both sides. So be 17. And for the sketch itself, this is the outer perimeter. So it would need to be not 77, but 83 millimeter. And this is 163, because we only need walls on one side of this. Okay, got a beautiful sketch right here. Let me double check with the real life equivalent. Something is not adding up right now. Okay, should be the bottom, because in real life the difference in length is much less. Yeah, like the difference from here to here, this distance is much greater than in the sketch. Okay, something's fishy. Very fishy. something is very wrong right here. I will need to double check now for the length of the power bank. It is at 140.60. So I think I made it. I made a big mistake. Fuck. I should have created another body, but never mind. So unprofessional of me to group it up like this. So let's come back to the thickness, the sketch right here. 140.60 and 43 is correct. The out is the correct outer perimeter. So nothing's wrong here. And so it must have been the phone or the offset we have set before. So the offset shouldn't be 22.5. This caliper is good, but it is super sharp. I have to be extra careful when handling this. This one should be at 33 millimeter. What? Why did I write that number before? So it should be around 40. More than 40. Should be more like around 40 millimeter. Yeah, should be more about that. More than 40 millimeter. So let's change that. Offset is much greater now, and so does the offset on the bottom side. Yeah, this is more like it. I'm really tired right now. Let's try to finish this today. Okay, we will create another datum plane. This is what I hate about FreeCAD, because it is pretty stupid about editing stuff in the past. So did we already created a datum plane? No, we create a datum plane now, and we sketch on that plane here. Toggle visibility, and I guess use some reference geometry to create my pocket for this. So should be a crude one. They should be symmetric. Like what? This point, and this line should be symmetric. Okay. 3 millimeter. Another 3. Another 3 millimeter. Now for the path operation, the sketch right here, the length is 163, so we just need 160 for this. So we'll close the sketch. Pocket operation, 160 millimeter. And okay, I think we got the pocket we wanted. Save the progress. Remember to save your progress. Now this one should be easy. I will need to measure the port cutout for my phone, and I only need the cutout up to the point of the speaker, so should be 50. Yeah, 50 millimeter is a good number though. Yep, 50 millimeter. So select this, create a datum plane. Okay, sketch on it, and toggle visibility. I toggle my visibility, change it up. Okay, why did I do that? Crap, I forgot. Yeah, so it should be 50 millimeter, and I don't know, just put, I don't know what the fuck. So 50 millimeter. Okay, I said okay. I need to left click. Yeah. Alright, this point, and this line should be symmetric. What the heck did I just do? Again, this point, and this line should be symmetric. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Distance should be cross, not a cross, but I should take some. You know what? I can just make this one tangent. So should be coincident. No, not coincident. Tangent is t, right? Okay, they can be tangent. So this one is tangent to the axis. Okay, it doesn't like it. Why doesn't it let me do it though? I want this thing and this thing to be tangent, but it's giving me error about. And the problem, I cannot select external geometry for that particular line because it is also the line. So what is it? It's not the coincident constraint. What is it? It doesn't like that. Okay, I just need to create now the external geometry. I don't know why it doesn't let me do it, but okay, should be happy now. Yeah, so can I do this now? Tangent, still no, still no, still not able to do that. What the fuck is wrong with this? Yes, the only thing moving is this thing. Should I use the equal constraint? Okay, that works. So close it. I will. Second thought, that doesn't seem like a bright idea to me. This one too. I forgot about the thickness of the wall. Silly me. There, much better. Pocket operation punch to 3 millimeter of walls. um, I think I forgot to cut out hole for my screen, if I remember correctly. This is a really complicated way to work around MagSafe, not gonna lie. But the edge should be 2 millimeter only, so let's do it before I go to bed and get some rest. So create a datum plane, put a sketch on it. No, I want it to be this, and toggle. The rectangle. Okay, symmetric is the fastest way. So this should be 2 millimeter, and so are these. Pocket operation has through 3 millimeter of material, and that is our final product. Looks a bit weird. Looks pretty. Oh, because the thickness. Oh, okay. Because the thickness of the wall. Okay. Yes. I really hate the orientation stuff. Why don't I just let it keep it? Okay. This should not. This should be 3 plus 2. Same for this one. This one can get away with it. I hope so, but I don't think I should take any chances. So let's make it a bit more symmetric. Yep. No, okay. Now let's look a bit more closer. So that is my progress on. Oh shit! I forgot the camera cut out. Okay, give me a second. Because the main point of me doing all this is to still being able to use the camera for if I want to do time lapse or stuff like that. I can do it. $8 millimeter. So I'm so tired I couldn't even name it properly. simple rectangle. Now we define the parameters. This one is 8 millimeter from the top. Perfect. From the side, it should account for the thickness also. So it is not only, I'm eyeballing it right now, but it is not only 7 millimeter, but also 3 millimeter of the wall. So it should be, it have to be 10 millimeter over here. Okay. Punch it in by 10 millimeter. And the overall dimension, the width of the camera cluster section is 23. I'm trying to line up with me the teeny tiny bit. Yeah, 23 millimeter is good. So dimension 23 millimeter. Dimension of this is the length of the camera cluster. 33 millimeter. Nice. 33 millimeter. And I think I have went a bit overboard with this thing. 97. Okay, a bit more reasonable now. Close the task. Punch a hole. 3 millimeter of material. And that is done. I'm gonna chamfer everything later because I don't think I'm satisfied with this design right now. But the overall details are in. I got the charging port down. I got the screen cut out. However stupid it may look. I may come back to design later, but I should name it properly. So camera section. This one is for what? What is this? Pocket for. Okay, screen. Cut out. What is this pocket for? This pocket is for, okay. Phone. This is pocket for. Okay. I name it same a similar thing above here. Phone slide in pocket. What is this pad operation for? Okay, phone thickness. Okay, I think I should name it like that. It is, it's gonna slide in. I plug in the chart from below. This is a really good argument for people who want to get MagSafe. Get it. It will be a game changer. Now I will spend, I think we'll spend a bit more time shifting it around, adding maybe a 1/4 inch thread so I can use it with my tripod. This is the version 1, so I'll come back to it later. Now, thanks for watching, and I think I should come up with a model for my channel. And because the mantra, the main point of the channel is to show people that you are not alone in the process of learning. Learning is difficult, and I'm not here to pretend that it is easy. It is, yeah, everyone can get into it. I'm here to show you that everyone. I'm here to mainly show the struggle of the learning side. So most people show you the achievement for their work, but I think showing the struggle of the process is also important. Maybe something like something that hasn't been copyrighted. Maybe the more you fuck around, the more you find out. Maybe. Mm, not really well, huh? Hmm. Yeah, but I think that's maybe the. Oh, I really like this thing. The journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step. I learned that quote from Sifu, and I really appreciate that quote because it reminds us about the mentality, the fact that every journey, no matter how big it is, it may be 1,000 miles journey, but all of them, every single one of them, have to begin from a single step. Whether it is a step by foot, when you choose to trek for the journey, or it is the first step you make onto your private jet. So no matter the process, the first step might seem insignificant, might seem small, pointless perhaps, but all good things start from small things. And yeah, I think that will be the motto. I have lived by that quote for a long time now. So the journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step. Stay tuned for the next step of my journey.